Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin Duty and this is Duty's Daggers. We're doing something a little different today. We're not doing, no barking. We're not doing anything knife related. We're actually going to be doing a little bit of blacksmithing and a little bit of fabricating. So let me show you what the project is. I moved into this house a couple months ago and a lot of the fixtures are really outdated and I'm not really keen on, the whole look of them. So what I'm going to do is try to hand forge a lot of the fixtures in here, like the towel racks, toilet paper roll holders, maybe some knobs on the cabinets. But the first thing I want to do is, you can see I have this this kind of bar here, and there's these almost like gussets that are supporting the counter here. I'm not sure what good they really do, how much weight they actually support, or if they're more for looks, but I don't like how they look. So what I'm gonna do is try to fabricate my own. They're basically just gussets, 90. I think I'm gonna make the 90 out of flat bar, and then have some kind of decorative scroll work or something here, in the middle. So, I've never done anything like this before, but let's get out to the shop and see what we can come up with. So I fabricated up these brackets last week when I had a little bit of spare time at work. These should work perfectly. I made them a little bit long because I wasn't exactly sure how I needed them to be. So they need to be 10 inches each side. So here's one that I trimmed down already. Let's take it inside and make sure that's gonna fit up inside there. So you can see there's a piece of, it's probably like 2 by 1 inch piece of wood back there. So I'm gonna have to notch that out a little bit more to be able to fit this new one in there.
Hey buddy, what's Papa doing?
So once I do that, that should fit perfectly right. I think we're good. So I want to come up with some kind of decorative scroll work to kind of fill up this space. I'm thinking something probably like a spiral that would come down into another spiral, something kind of like that. So let's go look at our steel rack over here, see what kind of material we have to work with, and then we'll pick out something that I think will work well. Alright, here's the plan. This is the bracket, the L bracket. We'll do something like this. I think that's going to look pretty cool. I'm going to make it out of this 1.5 by 1/8 inch strap. I think this will be perfect. It's the same width as our bracket here. So unfortunately I don't have much of this stuff. This is all that I have. So in this video I think we'll make one of these, and then I'll have to go and get more of this stuff to make the other 3. It'll just be the same process for all of them. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to make this one, and then I will probably edit in a photo of them all done. We're heating up the forge here. Wait till it gets hot. Stick our piece in. We're kind of just going for it. I don't really have a jig for getting this scroll. I am going to be bending around this pipe. I think it's a good radius to get our twists here. So we're just going to go for it. It's probably going to take some tweaking and kind of finagling to get it how I want it. Let's go for it. Alright, we are making some progress. I'm running into a problem where it's getting a little too awkward and big to fit inside my forge. So hopefully we'll be able to get this thing done in the forge. If not, I might have to grab my oxyacetylene torch out and just heat it up that way. But we'll see. Okay, so got one twist done on this side here, and I'm gonna flip it around now and start working on this upper twist. Once I have that, then we can figure out this middle section and get that perfect. I'm kind of guessing on the length that I'm gonna need to get this twist or curl. I mean, so we'll see how it turns out. I think I estimated it pretty close to what I need. So yeah, we're gonna heat it up, and yeah, it's coming along. Definitely taking a lot more finagling than I kind of expected it was gonna take a lot of finagling. You know, I'm an amateur. I'm sure there's probably an easier, better way to do this. If anyone knows, let me know. I'm thinking probably something with a jig, or you know, maybe a hardy tool that helps me get these bends a little more perfect. But yeah, I'm doing my best here. I think it's gonna look good. Alright, I think we did it. Check that out. I was really having a really hard time getting these two twists to match. But I think that's okay. I think, you know, every one of these is going to be a little bit different, and I think that's part of blacksmithing, you know. I think that'll kind of even add to the whole homemade, home forged kind of look. So I'm okay with it. I think this looks really good. We could go that way, or we could even see how that looks. No, I like it the other way. Let's go this way. That's not bad. This twist I think looks better, so I kind of want that one more visible. I'll have to play around with it and see if it's more visible on the bottom or on the top there. I'm kind of thinking that probably looks the best. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. We need to drill some holes in this so we can screw it into, you know, underneath the counter there, and then we'll tack this baby on here. Alright, got my holes in. Let's tack this baby up. she is. Clean off the slag. Let's take it inside and see how it looks. Alright, it's supposed to cool off. Let's see what we got. Hey, buddy. So obviously it's not gonna fit up right in the corner right now, but I'll kind of get an idea at least. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a beauty. What do you think, dude? What are you doing? Yeah, I really like that. That's gonna look really, really nice on here. Well, I think that'll do it. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I have some stuff I need to get done today, run some errands, so pretty happy with how it turned out though. Maybe next weekend I'll get the other 3 done and I'll do a video on installing them and, you know, finishing those up. But yeah, not bad for an amateur. Thanks for watching, dudes, and see you in the next video. Adios.